Hello little minds, today let's travel around the world in just few minutes. In this video, we will learn how many continents are there, how many countries are in the world, and one amazing fact about the flag of every country. The earth is shaped like a big ball called globe. The world is divided into 7 continents: Asia, Africa, Europe, North America, South America, Australia, Antarctica. There are 195 countries in the world. Country flags with one amazing fact. China. The big star is the Communist Party and the 4th star represents unity of Chinese people. Pakistan. The white strip represents religious minorities, the green, the Muslim majority. Bangladesh. The red circle is slightly off-center to appear centered when flying on the pole. India. The Ashoka Chakra in the center symbolizes movement and truth. Afghanistan. The flag once included a mosque, one of the only flags to do so. Saudi Arabia. The flag includes the Shahada and a sword symbolizing justice. Armenia. The red stands for survival, blue for the sky, and orange for the hardworking spirit. Azerbaijan. The 8-point star represents the Turkic peoples of the nation. Bahrain. The white zigzag has 5 points, symbolizing the 5 pillars of Islam. Bhutan. The dragon represents protection and the country nickname Land of the Thunder Dragon. Lebanon features a green cedar tree, an ancient symbol of peace and immortality. Brunei. The national crest includes a parasol, wings and hands, symbolizing monarchy, protection and peace. Myanmar Burma. The white star stands for the union of the country's many ethnic groups. Cambodia. The only national flag in the world, featuring a real building, Angkor Wat. Cyprus. The only flag showing the map of its own country on it. Georgia, featuring 5 crosses symbolizing Christianity and its national faith. Indonesia. The design is one of the oldest, dating back to the 13th century Majapahit Empire. Turkey. The crescent and star are ancient symbol of Islam but predate it and were used in Byzantium too. Iran. The words Allahu Akbar are written 22 times along the green and red borders. Iraq. The Arabic phrase Allahu Akbar was added during Saddam Hussein rule and changed font later. Israel features the Star of David, a key Jewish symbol, and blue strips for traditional Jewish prayer shawl. Japan. The red circle is the sun and Japan is known as the land of the rising sun. Jordan. The 7-point star represents the 7 verses of the first chapter on the Quran. Kazakhstan. The eagle and sun show freedom and energy. The ornamental pattern reflects cultural heritage. Kuwait. The 4 colors black, green, white, red are pan-Arab colors symbolizing Arab unity. Kyrgyzstan. The sun center show a yurt roof, a traditional nomadic tent. Laos. The white circle represents the moon over the Mekong River and the country unity. Malaysia. The 14 strips and 14-point star represent the 13 states and federal government. Maldives. The white crescent stands for Islam and the green is for peace and prosperity. Mongolia. The Soyombo symbol On the flag is a national emblem filled with philosophical meaning, fire, sun, moon, etc. Nepal, the only non-rectangular flag in the world, shaped with two stacked triangles. North Korea, the red star symbolizes socialism and the red strip stands for revolutionary spirit. Oman contain cross, swords and khanjar, a national symbol of honor. Palestine, the colors reflect the pan-Arab flag shared with many Arab nations. Philippines can flip upside down in the wartime, red on the top instead of the blue. Qatar, its maroon color and 9-point serration signify being the 9th member of the reconciled Emirates. Singapore, the 5 stars stand for democracy, peace, progress, justice and equality. South Korea, the flag has taeguk and trigrams from I King, symbolizing balance and harmony. Sri Lanka, the lion holding a sword show bravery and each color represent different ethnic groups. Syria uses pan-Arab colors. Green star once represented the union with Egypt. Tajikistan, the crown and 7 stars symbolize sovereignty and the unity of Tajik people. Thailand, the central blue band stands for the monarchy, red for the people, white for the religion. Timor-Leste, the black triangle represents the struggle of the past, yellow is for hope for the future. Turkmenistan features a rug design reflecting the importance of carpet weaving in Turkmen culture. United Arab Emirates, all 4 pan-Arab colors, black, white, green, red, represent Arab unity and pride. Uzbekistan, 12 stars represent historical religions. Crescent and moon shows the nation's future in Islam. Vietnam, the gold star stands for the 5 classes of workers, farmers, soldiers, workers, intellectuals and youth. Yemen, the flag is inspired by the Egyptian revolution and uses pan-Arab colors. See you in the next video. Until then, take care of yourself. Bye bye.